Believers Radio, Believers Radio, Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records,
Believers Radio,
the show where we drop you heat every 4 times of the week. Now, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this crisp brown MIDI kit. So there's like 10 midis in here and 4 percussion loops. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using the Radio R&B by Contact just to show you how this actually goes down. So before we actually go further, guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. So the BPM is already set to 97. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the first called Catch 22, which is 97 BPM. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that for you. Play the second called Dance For Me, which is just 98 BPM, just a second BPM. Set that 98 BPM and just play that for you. Play the third Dead Bedtime, which is 145 BPM. So I'm gonna set the BPM 145 BPM. All right, I'll play that for you. Play you. Let's keep moving. High, which is 122 BPMs. Already set the BPM. So let's keep moving to Hit It, which is 97 BPM. So I'm gonna play the other one, Late Night, which is 120 BPM. So I'm gonna play that for you. So I'm gonna play you the next Pillow Talk, 120 BPM. let's keep moving. I'll play the other one, She Needs Me, which is 115 BPM. I feel like I want to play this on a lower octave. So I feel like I want to change it to a lower octave just so you hear that. Maybe not. I'm sure you can do that later. So stay 115 BPM. Play. I don't want to play this on a lower octave, just to get that feel, you know. Just... All right. I'll play the other one. Escape Plan, 155 BPM. Sounds like a faster. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna play the percussion loops. I'm play the first loop one, which is 98 BPM. So sorry for that. Shit, I forgot I gotta change the BPM. So let me just change that to 98 BPM. So I'll change that. Play the second, 97 BPM. I'll just go ahead and cut the end over there. Just cut it. Remove that extra. Play the second, the third, 115 BPM. So I'm play the third, 120 BPM. So I'm gonna set that 120 BPM. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna try play one of these midis using one of these percussion loops, just to show you what you can actually do with these. So I'm gonna use a 97 BPM Catch Me. I'll play that. Just set the BPM first, back to 97. So let's go ahead and play that using this MIDI. Sorry, I feel like something's wrong. Something's off somewhere. Let me just see this. I'm gonna play it again. BPM. So yeah. So yeah, pretty much done showing you this whole project, the MIDI. So guys, it's a crazy ass MIDI. You gotta get this MIDI. It's nice. You won't regret it. So without no further ado, I'm gonna just let you go ahead and play around with this MIDI. Crazy ass beats. I can't wait to hear what you guys are gonna do with this. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help. So and I'm out of this thing. So enjoy. We'll see you in the next one.